Welcome children. Today we are in a chemistry lab and we'll learn about some apparatus that are used in our chemistry lab. So first we'll start with test tubes. Now as you can see, this is a test tube and it is made up of glass or Pyrex. Now what a test tube can do? With a test tube we can conduct experiments. Now test tube we cannot keep it here. For that we need a test tube rack. As you can see, this is a test tube rack where we keep our test tubes in an organized manner. We can keep it like this way. Now this test tube rack is made up of plastic. It can be made up of wood as well. Now after this rack, to hold this test tube, we need a test tube holder. As you can see, this is a test tube holder which is made up of wood. Like this portion is made up of wood and this is a metallic one. Here at this point we have a clamp through which we'll clamp it. Now our test tube is ready to perform experiments. Now we can heat it or we can boil it. Now, where we are doing this, like boiling it, this is a Bunsen burner. Now this Bunsen burner, as you can see, is connected to a LPG gas cylinder. Now, all the test tube, we cannot perform our experiments. We need some more apparatus for that. And we have these beakers. Okay, this is a beaker and it is containing 250 ml. So it can contain a liquid up to 250 ml. We can have a smaller version of that can hold around 80 ml. Now how we'll place it? Suppose we need to do some experiment. For that we need some more apparatus. This one. This is called a tripod stand. Tripod means it has 3 legs and it is also made up of iron. Now how we'll do? We'll place it over the burner and we'll put, this is a wire gauze. Now this one, you can see this mesh is made up of iron. At the center we have asbestos coating. Now we'll put over the burner. Now it's ready to heat this beaker. After beaker, we learn about this conical flask. Now this is a conical flask that is also having some marking as well, like up to 250. This can perform experiments. So we can put it over the burner and it is ready to do that. Now this conical flask can have 2 more types. Like this is a round bottom flask. Round bottom flask is this one. This is round and this portion is a flat bottom. And there is another one quite bigger than this. This is not flat one. This has a flat bottom. This is a round bottom. And both of them can perform experiments. Like we can put it. Okay. Now apart from this, we have something to stir. This is a glass rod. Again, it is made up of glass. With the help of this, we can stir something. Next, we'll learn about this. This is called a measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder means, now when we will be performing any experiments, we need to measure quantity. Suppose 10 ml, 50 ml. How can we measure? With the help of this. See, it is graduated. 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml, 40 ml, up to 50 ml. Now suppose we require more amount. Then we can have this one. It can hold 250 ml. Now suppose we require more. The bigger one can hold to 500 ml. See, 500 ml. Now suppose we need very smaller amount. It's like 1 ml. This is the smaller version of our melting cylinder. So what we have learned in our chemistry lab today? How can we conduct our experiment with the help of test tubes? This is the rack where it is kept organized. This is our holder. Here are our flasks, beaker, our Bunsen burner, wire balls. These are our measuring cylinder. Thank you.